Hello and welcome to Word Tutorial. This is Dr. Arifa Garman. I am the Director of E-Learning. This is going to be a series of 3 short videos on tutorial of how to work and operate with Microsoft Word. I am going to turn off the video so we can focus the task at hand. I will start right from the beginning. Let's start. Icon, when you click on it and start, and just by starting to type Word appear, click on it, and it's going to open Word for you. I have one open, but it's going to open. So there's several what's called ribbons. The most you're going to use, the home, is where most of the basic elements are there. You will have insert, the insert ribbon. You will use some of these, as well as the page layout. So let's go back to the home. The home has your cut, copy. They're grayed out because there's nothing typed right now. In the Word of Computer, anytime you see that little triangle, it means it's a drop-down menu. So when I click on this drop-down menu, it's going to open a link, and it's thinking it's because I am working and recording, it's taking a while. But see, there's more. So if I want to change the font, I can. This is the size of the font. I can too. This is how big the fonts are. This is for highlighting. This is for the text colors. This is if I want to type in the center of the page or right justified. Normally everything is right justified. So this is bullets and this is numbers. I'm going to go through several of these. So now we covered opening the program. Let's say I want to change the margin. The margin is in the page layout ribbon. See how this margin is? I click on it. These are predetermined sizes. So normally this is almost the default where everything happened under the normal, where it's 1 inch all around. This is the narrow, but I can also do custom. And in custom, the window is going to open, and that's going to allow me drop down menu, increase or decrease. And notice what's happening right there. So I'm clicking to open it and decrease it. The multiple pages, this is also where I change the orientation of the page. So let's say I want landscape, but notice this apply to, so all of the changes, sometimes you get a document where different pages is in a different orientation or different margin. This is where you can notice that apply to, click, whole document, or this point forward. So if you have 5 pages and page 3 is in landscape, but then page 4 back to portrait, this is what they've done, is they came here and they've changed that. So I now, let's say I want to click back to 1 inch, and now it's 1 inch all around. Click OK. Next, we're going to learn how we can cut and paste. So I'm going to type, this is a sample, this is a sample letter. So I want to cut. Anytime you want to do something, change something you've done, it's called you have to select it. And to select it, I will click on where I want to start, hold the left button of my mouse, and notice that I'm now dragging, and I'm going to, it's now selected. So I'm going to go back to the home button. I'm going to say, let's say I'm going to bold it. I am going to make it larger in size, the font. I'm going to make it red. While it's selected, you're saying to the computer, select this. I want to make few changes that's only applicable to this word. I can hit delete. We also have, see that button right there? It's called undo right there. So you can do everything in Word, and that's all Microsoft product has multiple ways to get there. I can cut by selecting and clicking delete, or by hitting Control C. Oops, not Control C. Control X. Control V is paste. So I'm going to stop the video right now. This way they're not long, and you're able to walk through them. I will see you in the next tutorial video.